Hello, minifigures. This is I'm a Genius, and today I'll be looking at yet another alternative build that I have constructed myself. This time I'll be looking at an alternative build for the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set, set number 31095. Fairground Carousel. This set had 595 pieces, 3 minifigures, and it retailed for $50 in the United States. From those parts included, I have constructed this alternative mock. And I am calling it the Alien Ice Cream Shop. At the front, we have a cute little logo or brand picture with a bowl and some alien goop-like ice cream dripping over the sides with a cute little eye in the center. And this is actually a door hatch that can be swung open to give your minifigures access to the interior. We have 2 lights on this side and some mirrors that could either represent actual mirrors for kids to have fun looking at as they walk by this interesting shop, or they could represent windows. I kind of like thinking of them as windows. And the sides, we have a couple windows used by those yellow gate elements. A generator on the side with ventilation. And some Technic pieces you'll see on the back. They are part of a play feature in this set, and I'll be showing you that later on. Over on this side, there is a hidden feature as well, and another one of those windows. Before we move on, I would like to explain what exactly this is, or what the story is behind this, because I actually have a background story. You see, what happened is, after all, we're going off of this alien theme right here that was started with the 3 set builds. So basically, the story is an alien ship crash lands here. You can see thrusters on the back. You probably know what's going to happen later on. Or you probably already are guessing what the play feature is. But anyways, an alien ship crash landed here into this abandoned building. And they decided, well, they needed to get some stuff, some parts to repair their ship. And so, instead of just stealing the parts, this alien, well, he is a very one that likes to follow by the rules, I guess. I don't know. One that would like to get parts for his ship legally, I suppose. And so he decides, hey, you know what? I've crash landed on this abandoned building. I'm going to set up an ice cream shop. And so that's exactly what the alien does. And he makes it alien themed, of course, ironically. And he's using that money, he or she, I suppose, whichever you prefer, is using that money to get parts for his ship so that he can eventually fly away. And you can see evidence there is extraterrestrial activity going on in here, or by shifting aside this board right here to reveal some alien energy source with some transparent studs. Now, let's get in, take a look inside, shall we? You can simply remove the roof, like so, which detaches to become an alien spaceship. You can see, you can put any one of the minifigures in here to be the alien. And you can bring this seat up, like that, and it folds into the ship and flies away. It has thrusters on the back, these curved pieces give it a nice, interesting shaping. It actually kind of looks like a face, doesn't it? With a mouth right here and some eyes, and then some eyebrows. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. That's a tie right there. Anyway. And we have some lights or blaster cannons on the front, because, of course, no alien ship is complete without blaster cannons, as shown in Star Wars, of course. And when you want to set this roof back on top of the shop, you can easily fold it down. And let's take this nice lady back here. Set her down there. And when you set them back in there, it isn't attached by studs, it just slides nice right into place and doesn't move. You can see that, oh, yeah, that's what it looks like from the inside. I forgot to show you that. I'll go into that in more detail later on. You can set the roof back down and move these Technic pieces into place to where that piece is sitting on top of the tile. And if you look inside, you can see that the lady is now the cashier. It's kind of difficult to see, but yeah, she's the cashier, which I thought was a nice touch. So anyway, with that removed, we can see the inside. And on the inside, we have a spinning table here. It's on a turntable. You can spin around and hopefully not lose any of the dessert that you ordered here. Right now, we have one of the minifigures included in this set with some alien ice cream desserts, or alien-themed ice cream desserts, with this green gel. Ah, no, come back here. There we go. With this Jell-O ice cream sandwich, I suppose. And then a cup of some kind of alien goop. And don't worry, it tastes good. It's supposed to taste good, otherwise no one would buy it. And over here we have another seat where you can sit a minifigure, like so. Come here, come here. Sorry about this. There we go. You know, kids, they never want to sit down. Always want to play. There we go. Okay. See, that's how the minifigure sits. Right there. Or you can have this nice lady right here sit there as well. Come here. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. Okay. She's sitting in there. There we go. Okay. I think she's content in watching. There's a sprinkle dispenser right here. And this is supposed to be a spot where the frozen yogurt is deposited with the drain. And there's a drain over here. And if you're interested, a minifig, or if you want to know how a minifigure fits there, minifigure does indeed fit there. It is very tight, but I have gotten them to fit there. There we go, like so. And we also have bathroom accommodations. A very simple bathroom with a door, like that. And some toilet paper right there, and then the toilet. And you can sit this lady right here. Oh no, come back here. She don't want to go to the bathroom. Okay, that's embarrassing. There we go. Okay. She sits like that. That's my alternative build. Please make sure to like this video below. Share my channel with your friends. I'm a genius. And please make sure to subscribe for more content. Once I have reached 75 subscribers, I will do a how to build video on this particular alternative build. It may look like a splatter of color, but it actually is pretty well built. As long as you don't play too rough with this, it should work fine. You just need to be careful with that, but the door usually works fine, and the hatch is fine. This part right here is attached pretty well. It doesn't fall off. And as far as headroom for minifigures, this lady with her nice ponytail does sometimes get stuck when the roof is on and she's on the turntable. However, if you can get her into a certain position, she should work fine. So that's my alternative build, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.